Want to make sure your screen time limits can't be changed without your approval? In iOS 26, you can set up a screen time passcode to lock in restrictions for yourself or for a family member under 18. You can also edit or delete the passcode later if needed. Let me walk you through the process step by step. Let's start with creating a screen time passcode. Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, then tap Screen Time. If you're setting a passcode for yourself, scroll down and tap Lock Screen Time Settings. Otherwise, tap Set up Screen Time for Family. If you choose to set up screen time for family, you will need to set up family sharing. In this case, just follow the setup wizard. For this guide, let's go for the first option, so tap Lock Screen Time Settings. Next, enter a 4-digit passcode, then enter it again to verify. After creating it, you'll also be asked if you want to enable screen time passcode recovery. Enter your email or phone number to proceed or tap Cancel to skip. Let's just skip it this time. From the pop-up window, tap Skip to confirm. Now, you will see the Setup Screen Time Settings option is altered with Change Screen Time Passcode. This means that your new passcode is in effect. Let's proceed with changing the screen time passcode. Should you find the need to edit your passcode, go back to the main Screen Time Settings menu. For your own device, tap Change Screen Time Passcode, then enter the current screen time passcode. Next, enter your new passcode, then re-enter to confirm. Now, let's remove a screen time passcode. To remove it entirely, return to Settings, then tap Screen Time. For your own phone, tap Change Screen Time Passcode, then select Turn off Screen Time Passcode. Enter your current passcode, or your 6-digit iPhone passcode if you're managing it for a family member. Once verified, the screen time passcode will be removed and the Lock Screen Time Settings option reappears. And that's it. You now know how to create, edit, and remove screen time passcodes in iOS 26. If this video helped you set up and manage your iPhone screen time passcode, give it a like, and check out my other iOS 26 tutorials for more ways to protect and personalize your iPhone. Thanks for watching.